All right, Emery, you got your first big mural. Yes.
Yeah.
Oh.
And it's hot.
And it's well, but it's not as hot as like what it normally is.
Nope.
So, but the sun's out, which is good. It's beautiful. Big wall. So you're going from about right where you're at, right there, all the way over,
You're about right here.
right there. Okay, that's big. It's really big. That's probably like 25 feet, I'd say, something like that. Just guessing. So here's our before, and we'll update it as you go. What got this started? What?
Honestly, it was the most random thing. We were riding in the car on our trip, you know, our big road trip, and I just all of a sudden was like, I'm gonna paint a mural. And I was like, where can I do it at? I don't know where I'm gonna paint a mural at. And I was like, you know what? I think Miss Misty would let me do one on the side of coconuts.
Yeah.
And 2 days later, everything was arranged.
So just like that.
Just like that.
But, and of course we haven't seen the finished product yet here, but what inspired you to do that?
Well, obviously Coconuts is a restaurant. It's called Coconuts, so it's a little tropical, and
So this is a tropical theme, kind of.
that's what the beach part of it is, but then they also have sandwiches and things like that, so I have lots of, you know, people eating and stuff. And
Yes.
of course it's also Hampton, and the thing for Hampton is watermelon, so I have some watermelon slices, not painted yet, but I'm getting ready to paint them.
Emery, you're finished. And it looks amazing. Why don't you tell me about it? Tell me, you got 3 different scenes going on here. And of course you got coconuts because it's on the side of the restaurant here, coconuts.
Some people have actually not known that this is Coconuts. They asked me if this is a new business opening up. But it's
you're
actually
kidding.
an old business
Yes.
that has been here longer than we have.
It has great food. So if
Yeah,
you
great
haven't
food.
been here, come on. All right, so now you got this section over here. So we got the beach thing going on.
Got the beach, you know, I mean, it's South Carolina. We're
Right.
close to the beach, so I mean, we gotta have some beach, and it's coconuts, so we need some tropical stuff in there. So
Right.
that's the beach, and then
And
we've
then-
got this area, which is actually inspired by down the road a little bit of ways.
What's
There's
over here?
Yep.
That
There's an
area.
area. The buildings were inspired by those, and then there's an area down there that has picnic tables and palm trees and all that. So
Yes.
this is kind of in this area, I guess.
And now notice you've got watermelon showing
Oh,
up
yeah.
in a few
Yes,
places.
of course.
And
yes.
what and why?
That's Hampton's thing, Hampton County.
Hampton
the Watermelon Festival.
Watermelon Festival.
That's on our welcome signs. It's our thing.
Watermelon, yes.
And then the last scene is just, you know, I guess I'm thinking 2 farmers, you know, dad and his son, they're eating watermelon and they have their truck just taking a break.
Okay,
Just,
great.
you know,
Taking a break,
normal
eating some
cooking
watermelon. Perfect slices of watermelon. And it looks like the boy's already taken a little bite off of his.
Yeah.
Right? And love the trees, love the colors. Great job, Emery.
Thank
Fantastic.
you. This is my first mural, and I'm proud of it.
Good job. First of many, hopefully, right?
Hopefully.
So, good job, Emery.